Hey, this is Christina. I saw that we have 31 new enrollments for the month of September alone in our tribe, which is amazing. It's incredible. And I really dislike doing videos, but because there's so many of us and we have yet to really discuss how to use your oils with you, I thought the easiest thing to do would be to make a video. I wish I would have put the screen up higher so that less of my chins were showing. Anyway, so one of the first things you need to do when you get your oils is take them out of the box. So many times people leave them in the box and then they get stuck on a shelf and then you kind of forget about them. But you've invested too much in these oils to let them go to waste. So first things first, take them out of the box. Put them where you can see them. Exhibit A. These are my kitchen oils. So these are the ones that I have on my kitchen counter in plain sight where I can see them. And if I'd like to cook, I would use them. But they're there just in case I do. The kids' oils are in the kids' rooms. The oils that we use for medicine and sickness are all in the medicine cabinet in certain sections. The oils that I use for cleaning. So this is just 20 drops of On Guard in a spray bottle. And I spray down the counters, spray down everything. If I had little kids, I would spray down toys and the playroom. As it is, I just have a bunch of teenagers, so just give them a good squirt for good measure. So just keep them in plain sight. And secondly, develop a protocol. How would you use your oils? So many times we think they are just isolated for certain instances, but actually these oils can be used to overhaul your entire healthcare and decrease the toxic load and fortify your health. One of the things you can do is to download this booklet. I would have brought it over to you from America, but there's not enough room. This can be found at doTERRA.com. Go to the Advocates tab, go to further on the right, and you'll see doTERRA Empower, I think it's Empower Living. But all of these are available for free for download. I will actually put it on the file section of our group. So the Live Guide will tell you exactly how to use some of these oils, how to actually incorporate them into your whole daily routine. You can go to page 14 and customize your wellness plan. So you can see what is it you want to accomplish with your health, and they will tell you exactly what you would need to use. This is a great tool to have, especially if you're starting out. So I will put this on our group. Second thing you need to do is to get yourself a book or an app, because these are very, very valuable. Just you can look up whatever issue that you're going to look at. For instance, I just happened to turn to trigeminal neuralgia. And for that, I would use wintergreen, juniper berry, helichrysum, spikenard, and Roman chamomile. You can also look up the oils by single oils or blends, and it'll tell you what it's good for. This is also available in an app for your phone. I think it's $4.99, Essential Oil Life. I have put the link on the tribe before, but I will do this in a certain section again. So definitely get the app, definitely get a book that will help you see how to use different oils. So let me just walk through a daily routine that I have. It's a boring routine, really. So I wake up in the morning, not very early. Some of you might have noticed. And when I eat breakfast, I will take the Lifelong Vitality supplements. So these are the 3 supplements that I take to start my day for energy, for cellular health, for hair, skin, nails, you name it. This is actually doTERRA's top-selling product, and it is phenomenal for optimal health. Then I will put 2 drops of copaiba under my tongue for anxiety, because I like to work myself up into a good panic attack before the day starts, and balance on my feet. And I will also keep balance in my purse at all times. I have this thing about crowds, so whenever I have to go into Pick and Pay, when there's lots of people, balance. Carry them with you. Put them in your purse. Like for instance, I have a nice little pouch. I hold it in my purse. Has all the oils I could want for the day. More than likely, I actually end up using them on other people. It's a true story. Like the guy who was coughing up a lung on the plane, breathe. For the little guy that fell on a skateboard down by the Clovelly robots, frankincense. So just have them with you so you can actually use them throughout the day. Depends on what I'm going to accomplish during the day, but I will usually put something in my diffuser. So peppermint and wild orange if I want to get started on a project. Motivate blend is great for getting going. Eucalyptus, lime, lemon together, also a very motivating blend. And then as the day goes on, I'm ready for bed. Then it's serenity and cedarwood in my diffuser, or lavender and balance for sleeping. And I often take the Serenity soft gels as well. But those are kind of my non-negotiables for what I use throughout the day. I will mix a whole bunch of other stuff in there as well. So I'll use between, I don't know, 19 or 20 oils just on a regular basis. And that doesn't include if I have, let's say, a headache, past tense. Oh yes, On Guard hand sanitizer spray. If you don't have this, get it. It's inexpensive and it's not sticky, it's not gummy, it doesn't have a terrible smell like some of the alcoholic hand sanitizers in the stores, and it's all On Guard. So it's healthy for kids. So that's just what I've done over the past few years, is actually just worked out every single thing from over-the-counter medication to prescription meds to actually exchanging them with essential oils. And our family has rarely been sick, and we rarely go to the doctor. As you know, there was that one episode with a staph infection, but that's for another video at another time. Other than that, we don't really get sick, we don't really go to the doctor. The first stop is always a medicine cabinet where there's essential oils. Anyway, welcome to the tribe. I would love to hear how you start your day and what kind of protocol you use for your family and how you incorporate oils into your daily life. I will post all these links and things in the tribe so that you can have access to them too.